Hello students, we are doing photosynthesis in higher plants, and in this video we are going to discuss about the photosystem, okay, or photosynthetic units, PSU, okay. So what are PSU or photosynthetic unit? A photosynthetic unit is the smallest group of the pigment molecule, and each it take part in the photochemical act, or in the conversion of light energy into the chemical energy. So photosynthetic units, they take part in conversion of the photochemical energy, okay, and that is they are converting the sunlight into the photochemical energy, okay. They convert the light energy into the chemical energy. It has photocenter or the reaction centers, and these are fed by the reaction centers. They are fed by about 200 harvesting pigment molecules. That means harvesting pigment molecules are present, and their number is about 200. The photocenter, it consists of a dimer, okay, of special chlorophyll A molecule, okay, that is P700 or P680, okay, that is they are named P700 and P680. They are named after the maximum absorption by the pigment or the photocenter. Now, reaction center absorbs light energy at the longer wavelengths. The harvesting molecule form a protein-based complex called light harvesting complex, that is LHC. There are distinct light harvesting centers for photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Light harvesting molecules are of two types, that is antenna molecule and core molecule. The antenna molecule absorb light of various wavelengths but shorter than the of the photocenter, okay. That means the antennal molecule, they absorb the sunlight of the lesser wavelength than the core molecule, okay. On the absorption of light energy, the antenna molecule get excited. In the excited state, an electron is pushed to an outer orbital. It lasts for about 10 to the power minus 9 seconds. The excited antenna molecule hand over their energy to the core molecule by resonance, and it come to the ground state, okay. So by resonance it pass the energy to the core molecule and come back. The energy picked up by the core molecule is supplied to the trap or the photocenter. On absorption of the energy by the photocenter, get excited and supply the trap supplied to the trapped or photocenter, okay. Now this energy, okay, which is absorbed by the photocenter, okay, it get excited and it get extrudes an electron, after which it come to the ground state to repeat the cycle, okay. The frequency of excitation of photocenter is very high. Now, it cannot be met by its direct absorption by sun energy. Moreover, the absorption of light of shorter wavelength cannot be done by it directly. So, core center cannot do that directly, but indirectly they are done by the antenna molecule. Therefore, photocenter require the help of harvesting molecules in the absorption of light energy. Another requirement is the regular supply of the electron from another system. Okay, so this is about the photosynthetic unit. Okay, now photosystems or the pigment systems. In green plant, The photosynthetic unit occur in the form of two distinct groups called the photosystem or the pigment system 1 and 2. They are named after the sequence they were discovered. Each photosystem contain 250 to 400 pigment molecules. Now photosystem 1, it is the photosynthetic pigment system along with some electron. Okay, now you can see photosystem 1. Okay, it is a photosynthetic pigment system along with some electron, okay, carriers. Electron carriers are there, and these are located on both the non-appressed part of the grana thylakoid as well as stroma thylakoid. Now photosystem 1 has more chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll B and carotenoid are comparatively less in the photosystem 1. Now, chlorophyll B and carotenoid, okay, they are less in the photosystem 1. Photosystem 1 consists of the photocenter, that is light harvesting complex, that is LHC1, and some electron carriers. All are based over the membrane proteins. Now photocenter has a dimer of special chlorophyll A molecule called photosystem 1, that is P700. Light harvesting complex has another or other chlorophyll A molecule followed by chlorophyll B and carotenoids. Now photosystem 1 has a reducing agent. Okay, in photosystem 1 a reducing agent is present, that is denoted as A0 or A0, which is a special chlorophyll, that is P700 molecule, and A1, that is a quinone, and FeSX and FeSA and the FeSB. Okay, these are iron sulfur proteins. Now FD is ferredoxine, cytochrome, that is B6. Okay, cytochrome, that's B6F, then complex and plastocyanine. Okay, now it take part in both cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Photosystem 1 or PS1 can carry on cyclic photophosphorylation independently. Okay, and normally it drives an electron, okay, from the photosystem 2 to NADP plus, that is nicotinamide diphosphate, as component of light reaction. Now photosystem 2 or PS2 is the photosynthetic pigment system along with some electron carrier that is located in the appraised part of the grana thylakoid. Now photosystem 2 has chlorophyll 2, chlorophyll A and B and carotenoid. Okay, in photosystem 2 there is presence of the uh, chlorophyll A, B and carotenoid. Okay, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B content are equal in photosystem 2. Carotenoid content is higher as compared to that of the photosystem 1. Photosystem 2 consists of photocenter, oxygen evolving complex, light harvesting complex 2, that is LH2, LHC2, and some electron carriers are also present. All are connected to membrane proteins. Now photocenter has a dimer of special chlorophyll A molecule called the P680. Light harvesting complex is detachable. Okay, so light harvesting complex can be detached or it can be separated. It consists of other chlorophyll A molecules, chlorophyll B, and carotenoid molecules. Oxygen evolving complex contain the manganese ions, calcium ions, and chloride ion. Other components of photosystem 2 are pheophytene, then plastoquinone, that is PQ, okay, phytochrome B6, okay, F complex, and blue colored copper containing plastocyanin. It picks up electron released during photolysis of the water. Now, in the same is extruded on the absorption of the light energy. That means that is produced on the absorption of light energy also. As the extruded electron pass over, that is generated electron, okay, that pass over to cytochrome B6F complex, okay. So when the molecule passes to the B6F complex, it energizes the passage of proton picked up by the PQ, that is the plastoquinone, okay, to create proton gradient for synthesis of ATP from ADP, an inorganic phosphate. This photophosphorylation is non-cyclic. Photosystem 2 can operate only in conjunction with the photosystem 1. An oxygenic photosynthetic bacteria, that is rhodobacteria and rhodopseudomonas, possess a single photosystem where the reaction center is similar to that of the photosystem 2. Okay, so this is about the photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Okay, in next we will discuss about the electron transport chain. Okay, in your NCERT book the light harvesting complex is shown like this, and photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 you can see in NCERT book in simple form it is shown, okay, that you can see in your book also or in the diagrams that is shown here. Okay.